Now, back here in Jamaica, the Ministry of Health will be ramping up vector control activities in St. James as suspected cases of dengue fever rise in the western end of the island. Now, 2 deaths have been linked to the mosquito-borne virus in the Norwood community in that parish, where fogging continued for a second day. Monday evening, fogging along Nelly Drive in Norwood, St. James, a welcomed sight for residents who've complained of neglect by health officials given the spike in the number of people who've tested positive for dengue fever in the community. The presence of the vector control team, however, renewed their hope in the system.
Dengue, they mad the people them about the place. You understand? So we're glad to see this going, you know. Only one them come once a while because I wonder, me don't know how this dengue thing work if a mosquito bite somebody, and we want to know how it works.
Well, I'm glad, you know, because the mosquito them really enough up here, and people have been sick. Children died. Even my daughter was actually diagnosed with the dengue.
We can't come here come around and help with the system that are in. But I tell you the truth, you see, as no gone, you must get dengue talk back. Nothing to do them, you must get them like this. You see, as sibling, at last, you see them big, you know, the black one of them, they call it Aedes Egyptian mosquito. I mean, if I white one, them are known. The spectral one.
But even as the vector control workers go house to house,
when we go into those areas, the complaints from my own officers are that windows are kept closed, doors are kept closed. So those nuisance mosquitoes that are inside the dwelling, they are not taken care of.
The Chief Public Health Inspector explained that Norwood is the largest community in St. James. Vector control workers have visited the area over 20 times since June.
My officers who would have visited some of those facilities, and we have pictures to prove that some of these premises, they are not reducing the infestation levels by covering their water source. We see containers that would gather water.
See, and everybody cleaning place telling us, so you don't know. And some people just throw garbage anywhere they want to throw, and them throw anything where they want to throw it. Yeah, about water, they're not business about that.
It's understood that additional vector control workers will be deployed in the area in the coming days.